Throwing a party on a budget is actually the easiest thing in the world. Let's start off with a dip. Dips are so simple and fun to put together. Have a great key recipe that's going to start with some cream cheese, a little bit of mayonnaise, and sour cream, and then I'm going to just mix that together until it's smooth. So this is the base of this dip. Very, very simple. Now with this base, you can turn it into just about anything. We're going to turn it into a nice little spicy dip with some roasted pasilla peppers, and some green onions are going to go into there, as well as some hot sauce of your choice can go into there. Throw in some cheese, blend it all together, and you have a perfect dip with some seasoned salt in there to serve for your guests. Now what I like to do is serve a variety of things when I do a little party like this. I have what we call as chefs fillers, which are going to help fill people up, and also you're going to have some meats that are going to help people fill up on, and then some little more exotic meats that are going to be delicious, but you don't have to put them out on large trays, which is another way that you can save on throwing a party. By putting meats and things like that out on smaller trays, people in general are going to take less of them, which will help save on the budget portion of putting that together. Also, chips here are a very easy thing to make at home. You can buy a whole stack of tortillas for $5, and that stack will make probably 10 bags worth of chips. And so that's a great way to do it. Don't buy processed foods. Keep food simple. That's the best part about it, and everybody loves it. These are familiar foods that people will truly enjoy when they come to your house for a party. Watch for things in season. Don't try and go overboard with expensive items that aren't in season or readily available at your grocery store. Watch for things to go on sale, and ultimately, of course, have a plan. So when you see something go on sale, maybe a month before your party, get it. If it's freezable, freeze it in the freezer, and you can actually use that and save all that money as well. Some delicious shrimp, chicken wings, a wonderful vegetable platter with dips and freshly made chips. Who isn't going to love this? Truly, throwing a party on a budget is so simple. Head on over to KUTV.com. You can grab this information as well as cookingwithchefbryan.com and enjoy the ways of throwing a party on a budget that looks delicious.